Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to check how fast this biometric protection works on this smartphone. So I'm going to put this smartphone like that, and let's make the first try. Okay, I'm sitting in a good position, so let's start the test. So as you can see, it works every time. It's not the fastest face unlock that I use on the smartphones. I can even say that I can find a lot of other smartphones that got better face unlock speed. For example, Poco X3 Pro, Realme 8, and the same for Samsung Galaxy A series like A52, A72. But the good point that it unlocks the phone every time. So I think that it's the same speed as the fingerprint sensor. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.